flawless. That one is way hotter than the 4th of July one.
Yeah.
Wow, almost to the point where like the heat from it, like it hurts.
Yeah.
Shooting up, it goes.
I let plume.
A children's toy. I can't do that with a straight face. This is the best children's toy ever invented.
At the top of every list for Santa.
At the top of what?
Every Santa list.
I would like a boring flamethrower replica, please.
Right, let it go, let it go. The idle knob was cranked way up. Okay.
Oh, that might have been me. Yeah, you can only tell the green on the edge, really. Oh, yeah, that's orange. Go for it.